Hey guys, it's Jerica with Michelle's. Really quick, we pulled some wedding gowns. We had someone request for us to do a wedding gown live. So I wanted to pull some, and we have pulled a little bit of everything, and we have sizes all the way from a 2 to a 20. So we just have a little bit of a hodgepodge, but we wanted to show you some things that we've got. A lot of it is, however, stuff that we've gotten new or has just come in. So it may be stuff that you haven't seen before. So the first one here is a tulle skirt with a lace bodice. It does have sleeves, and they're going to come probably about 3/4 lengths, depending, of course, on your arm length. It does have a train, and the top half of the back does have buttons on the top, and then this is a zipper. So there's a close-up of the front and that lace. It is a David's Bridal. It's brand new. It's a size 2. It retailed for $4.99, and we have it for $3.50. Alright, the next one that I have here is just nice and simple, but it's such a great shape. It's going to be really nice on someone, and it's going to help give you those curves or accentuate those curves that you've already got. So the bodice is just really nice and simple. It does have straps, and it's kind of like a trumpet kind of style almost. There's the back. It does have buttons up the back. It is a size 4. It retailed for $1,000. It's a size 10, and it's been altered down to a 4, and it is $4.50. Alright, this next one here, I'm going to take the train off so we can see the front of that. So this is just a nice white. It's got beading here at the top, and then the beading on the skirt on the bottom matches. So here's a close-up of that top. And then these sleeves, I want to say that they're straps, but I feel like even still you could wear them as off the shoulder too if you wanted to. And then let's pull up this and show you the skirt. So like there's that beading on the skirt. So it's the same as the bodice, but there's a little close-up of it. And then it does have a train. So the beading that was on the bodice is all the way down on the train too. It is a size 6, and it's only $1.99. So that's a lot of beading for a really great price. Alright, this next one is a really full skirt. It's pretty much like the first one, except this tulle is kind of chiffon-y. It's like silky, but it's still like poofy. And then the bodice is lace, but it has a lot of clear beading in it too. It does have sleeves once again. And then it does have a little bit of a train, and then same like the other one, it has buttons on the top half. Alright. This one is an Oleg Kasani. It's a size 6. It retailed for $1,200, and we have it for $4.50. Alright, this next one is one of our favorites. It is lace, and then it does have kind of like a scoop, kind of boat neck type neckline there. Some beading on the top. Once again, it does have a train, and it does have some beading here on the back with that illusion fabric, and it is buttoned up on the back there too. Really, really elegant. It is brand new. It retailed for $600. It's a size 8, and we have it for $3.50. Alright, the next one is this beautiful satin. It has pockets, which is super exciting for a lot of girls. They love the pockets. It has this cute beaded belt right here. And then the straps on the back are also beaded. It does have a train. Oh, and it has buttons. Sorry, there's a lot of dress. It has buttons all the way down to the bottom of the train too. It is Maury Lee. It's a size 12. It's new also. It retailed for $1,200, and we have it for $5.50. Alright, this next one is a little more simple. It's just your basic chiffon skirt, and then it has a beaded belt waistline right there. It does have ruching on the top. It's one shoulder. It is a corset back, so this one is going to go different sizes depending on where you need the extra sizing or if you need less sizing. So that corset back really helps be more versatile in your sizing. It's a size 14. It's a Maggie Satoro. It retailed for $1,800, and we have it for $3.50. Alright, this next one is a nice satin. It has a little applique right here on the side and some ruching on the top. It is a sweetheart neckline. It also has a train. This really nice simple back. It's really nice and elegant. It does have the tag still attached to it. It is new. It retails for $449. It's a size 14 and we have for $299. This next one is a taffeta fabric. It also has pockets, and it is also just really nice and simple. It's kind of that ballroom style with the full skirt, and then it does have a sweetheart neckline with some ruching. The back of it, there is a train, and the back is just really nice and simple also. But it does have those buttons on the zipper. It is also new. It retails for $550. It's 16W, and we have it for $399. Okay. Then the last one that we have pulled for you guys is this satin. It also has a little applique there on the side, and it's just kind of pleated and really simple on the skirt there. Here's the back of it. Once again, just really nice and simple. It is a David's Bridal, size 20W, and we have it for $299. So there's just a handful of our wedding dresses that we have right now. We have so many more. We actually have a lot of wedding gowns right now, but if you have a wedding gown that you no longer need and you're trying to sell it and you're not having any luck, bring it to us and let us help you sell it. You get half of whatever it sells for after it sells, so it's a pretty good deal, and it's definitely, there's tons of them and people do come and shop for them. So we just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that we do have them, and come see us. Bye.